everybody. How are ya? My name is Jara Bee and I want to welcome you to my channel. You guys, it's been a while since I've done a video face to face like this, and I just thought that I would come in and say hi y'all. Thank you for clicking on this video. I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm going to try to go as quickly as I can because people click off after about 3-4 minutes anyway, but I don't care. I'm going to just keep on going. I'm going to keep on doing the best I can do. But I think I'm happy because my sister's birthday was February 1st and she is in Arizona. She lives in Arizona and my mom goes there to visit. And so my mom came back the other day, and my sister, for her birthday, she sent back a gift for me. That is so thoughtful. That is so caring. I love that. Thank you, Lava. One of the things that she brought me back was this t-shirt. Y'all know she does customizable apparel and things like that. So this is a t-shirt. This is a picture of she and I when we were small children. Y'all see? This is me. I'm the older one. I'm the big one. And then this is her. So this is Lava. And here I am, Jara. So thanks, sis. When I opened up the package that that this came in, I shed a tear. I really did. Thank you, Lava. Mwah. Thank you, darling. I love it. And my mom, she is a crocheter. And so I had told her months ago, before winter even started, that I wanted some fingerless gloves. And so my mom knitted me these fingerless gloves. And I just think that they're darling. Y'all see that? They're so cute. She knows I like stuff like this. So thanks, Mommy. Thanks, Lava. All right, you guys. So let's get into the haul. Today I have a Vera Bradley haul and Dooney and Bourke. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So let me show you the first item from Vera Bradley. This is the small Vera Bradley tote in the print bandana medallion. So this is what it look like. Y'all see here? Yes, I do like a little bit of Vera Bradley, y'all. I don't like a lot of Vera Bradley, but I do like some of the prints. Mostly I like the bandana print and some of her paisley prints that I like, especially if the paisley print does not have a lot of flowers in it and you can see a lot of the background color. So those type of patterns and prints I like from Vera Bradley. But let me show you the bag. So here is the bottom of it. There is a zippered pocket here at the front. There's also a slip pocket here. And then there's one more exterior pocket here that you can't see, and it's right here. Y'all see that? Here's my phone. It's a pretty sizable phone. Y'all check out that phone case. I love these hearts on here. This is for Valentine's Day. I love the texture of these hearts. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of like it's textured. The hearts kind of like pop out a little bit. Can y'all see that? Anyway, this phone will fit into that pocket right there. See? Okay, we have two handle shoulder straps that is not adjustable, and then this is what the inside of it looks like. This bag has 6 slip interior pockets on the inside. I don't know if I'll be able to show that to you guys because it's kind of dark on the inside, but see, I put my hand in one of the slip pockets. So that is all that there is to the bag. Also, there's a zip entry here. Okay, zipper closure. So that is the small Vera Bradley tote. And also from Vera Bradley, I have I have 4 accessories I want to show you. The first is the wide loop keychain. It looks like this. And that same bandana medallion print, black and white. So I got that. The clamshell eyeglass case looks like this. I just really like this bandana print, you guys. And then I have the RFID Riley compact wallet. It looks like this. There's a zipper here, and then there's a slip pocket here. Snap, and it opens like this. Let me get this out. Let's see. It looks like that on the inside. Y'all see? Your ID. Oh, this opens right here too. Oh wow. You know what? I'm just now realizing that this flap right here opens up. I didn't even notice that at first. So here's what the wallet looks like. Again, this is the Riley compact wallet. And then let's see what else we got here. I haven't even looked at this stuff good yet, y'all. There's a slip here, slip pocket here, and another slip pocket there. Oh wow, check this out. There's a zipper section here right there. So there's all kind of little hidden spaces in this wallet. I think I'm gonna like this, y'all. Folds up like this. All right, so last but not least for Vera Bradley is the mini cosmetic case, and it looks like this. So cute. So cute, y'all. Top of it, we have, let's see, a zipper pocket here, and then the main entry here zips, and it's lined in this plastic. I don't know if you guys, I think you'll be able to see that. And so you could put your cosmetics in here, and then this fabric, this plastic is wipeable. I like that. So that is it from Vera Bradley, you guys. I do want to add that one of the things that I like about Vera Bradley bags is how lightweight they are. This weighs practically nothing, you guys. I really like that. So lately I have been enjoying bags that are lightweight. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I want to show you one item. Oh, before I show you another item, I'm so excited. I can't keep the order of things in my mind straight. I want to say that I did order this Vera Bradley tote off of Amazon. Okay, and I actually found this on Amazon a little cheaper than on the Vera Bradley website. So the accessories I purchased from verabradley.com. Okay, I just wanted to let you guys know that. All right, so now on to the one item that I purchased from, I actually purchased this Dooney and Bourke tote from eBay. So this is the Dooney and Bourke Doodle medium shopper tote. So I had saw this bag months and months and months ago, you guys, on Robin Cookie's channel, and I fell in love with it, and I had been wanting this ever since last summer, I think. So when I was on my little shopping spree, y'all seen it, I had what, a couple of hauls before this haul video. I've been shopping and I'm not going to shop anymore. But anyway, I just had to have this. I'm going to bring this out this spring and summer, because in the warmer months I don't really particularly care to carry the heavy leather bags. I love carrying these clear bags or lightweight bags, straw bags. You guys know. So I'll bring this out sometime in the spring and summer and dress her up and make her look like a little something something. Again, this is the Doodle Doodle medium sharper tote. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if this video interests you in any kind of way and you have not yet subscribed, would you please think about doing so? And also, until next time, everybody, y'all stay safe out there, okay? Mwah!